Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Chime. For that you will have to launch your Chime mobile application and you simply need to provide your username and your password and you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in and once you are at the home page, you are going to see a bunch of different options in the bottom. So among the given options, you simply need to select the option of move money. Afterwards, you will be landed on this Move Money page where in the Add Money to Chime section, you need to select the option of a transfer from other banks. Once you have done that, you will be landed on the next page where you will be asked to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. So you just have to enter the amount and then you need to tap on the transfer button. Once done, you will be redirected on the final page where you will be able to see that the amount you have entered is withdrawn and transferred successfully. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.